live from the Las Vegas Traders Expo. I'm Dan Gramza, and with me today is Matt Brown. Matt, welcome.
Thank you, Dan.
Matt, could you share with us some of your background and some of the services that you provide?
Sure. So I've been involved with the Traders Expo for quite some time now. This is probably, if I was to guess, I'm in year 8, 9, or 10, somewhere in there that I've presented. I've been around. I was one of the, and early on, I was one of the first online educators, and I predominantly work in the area of the futures market. And the name of my business is Newbie Trader, and it's kind of misleading a little bit. People think that you have to be a newbie to be part of my group, but I have people that have been trading with me for over 10 years. So we start out, the name is, I can take somebody that's just into the industry and I can educate them up to where they need to be, where they can do this, for a living if they so choose. Yeah.
And what's the time frame that you work with? Are these day trades? Are these swing trades?
Yeah.
So what do you do?
I personally like the day trade. I like to take advantage of quick moves in the market, and I like to be done after a couple hours each day. But the process that I teach and the style I teach is really applicable to any time frame, and it really is just about having a good, solid, fundamental base to what we do. And we look at confluence on multiple time frames. So even though we are in the day trading space, if you will, we're looking at longer term charts as well and making
as a reference to reach a conclusion.
You're right.
And then do you look at any particular technical indicators, or are you fundamentally driven, or how do you, or both?
Yeah, we're technical. The system we use is one that I've developed and had programmed. So we have our own proprietary trading signals that we work off of, and a lot of the education is to get people educated on how to use our style of trading. But we've come up with some really unique ways to look at the market that's special to our class. And like I said, we've been doing this over 8 years now, and we haven't had to change. And the market's gone through a lot of changes since the 2007, 2008, and the system's still holding strong. So we of course, we improve it and try to make signals and education better over time. But the fundamentals haven't changed with how we use it. We're definitely technical traders.
Well, that says quite a bit of the adaptability of your approach.
Yes.
Because you're right. The markets, one thing we do know is they're not constant.
Right.
And there'll always be change. But that speaks volumes, the fact that you can do that with that kind of consistency.
And we trade multiple markets. Like I said, our software is adaptive enough you can use on multiple time frames and multiple markets. So anything from the S&P E-mini to gold, to crude oil, to even bonds. I mean, anything you want to trade, we can support that.
Then on your site, then if I'm a user, would I get the trading signals? Do I get the tools for me to generate the trading signals?
Exactly.
That one?
That's exactly it. So the software would run on your computer, and it gives you automated signals. And again, the more important part of it is educating you on how the markets work, teaching you how the signals are generated, and then we liken it to, we give you a race car, and you can get under the hood and mess with it all you want, but it's all about the process and understanding how the markets work.
Well, it's very logical. Thanks for those insights. And could you tell us a little bit more if someone wants to contact you to find out more about this? How would they go about doing that?
There's several ways you can get a hold of us. The easiest would be just maybe send a note to admin@newbie-trader.com would be the easiest. Or if you want to get in touch with me personally and want to talk about something, it's mattbrown@newbie-trader.com.
Terrific.
All right.
Thank you, Matt.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. Live from the Las Vegas Traders Expo, I'm Dan Gramza.